This is my drawing of Ghostface from Scream, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson along the top center page with the inside edge of the eyes. Now you want to leave a gap in the center. We're going to start on the left. We're going to curve this down and then out towards the bottom. Let's line up the top over on the right and do the same thing, coming down and then out. Now I want to go back up to the top. We're just going to round up the top of the eyes. Just pull that down toward the side. And then the eyes get thicker as it comes down towards the bottom. So we're just going to curve this down and out, round up the eye, and then pull that back in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down and out, round this out, and then pull that in. Let's add that thick trim going around the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Let's trace the eye on the left. We're going to go up and then down, go all the way around the outside, come around and in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start from the center, going up, all the way around the outside, and we're just going to bend that in. Let's move down in the center, start with another point, curve this down and out towards the left, and then the right. And we'll place the nose in the center. So we'll start with another point, close around the left side, go up, around towards the right, and pull that up in the middle. Just underneath the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve from left to right, going up and then down. I want to pull the mouth in towards the bottom, so back on the left, curve this in and then down. And we'll round up the bottom of the mouth. Let's trace the mouth along the side and the bottom, starting on the left, curve this in, round up the chin, go up and then out. Now we want to tuck the jaw in behind, so underneath the eye on the left, cut this down, and then bend that in towards the side of the mouth. Let's close off the top of the head. We're just going to go up above the eye, then it's up and then in towards the middle. Just going to round this out, go out and then down towards the right. Now we want to open up the inside edge of the hood, starting from underneath the eye, bend this down and out. Just going to round this out. And then just pull that in towards the side of the chin. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down and out, curve the bottom, and then bend that in. Now going back up to the top, we're going to step up. Just going to curve the head, going around the hood, come down along the side. Now I just want to trace this curve, all the way around, and then bend that in towards the mouth. Now we're going to go back up to top, we're going to add a fold. So from here, step over, bend this out, curve this around the right side. Now I'm just going to mirror what we did on the left, coming down around the eye. And then we're just going to follow this curve, going around the outside, and then bend that back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. Underneath the head, right here on the left, bend this down, and then out. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Now I'm just going to tear up the bottom, starting on the left, then it's up and then in, come down and out, go up and in towards the middle. Now I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Let's tuck the feet in underneath, so we're going to leave a gap in the center, bend this in and then down towards the heels, and then round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and up toward the left and right side. And we'll curve the foot, going up and then in underneath the body. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the dagger. We're going to start underneath the head, and just down and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb. We're going to go up and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's add 3 fingers on the outside. From the thumb, add a half oval, going out and then in. Come down, draw another oval, and we're going to tuck this up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Now I want to place the dagger in behind the hand in an angle. So we're going to start with the handle, going down, across, and then up. Now up above the hand, on the left side, going out, flatten this off, come in on top of the thumb, and then back down. over on the left side, let's draw the edge of the blade, curving around and then up. And then we're going to draw two curves coming back in towards the hilt, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's add some blood coming down. Just going to draw a wave going across. Now let's go back up to the wrist. We're going to draw the edge of the sleeve, curve around the hand, out, and then down towards a point. That's going to curve this up and then in underneath the handle. Let's tear up the bottom edge of the sleeve, going up, add another point coming down, then up underneath the body. Now let's draw the arm on the right holding the walkie-talkie. Starting underneath the head, draw that same arm going out towards the wrist. Now let's draw the thumb, going up and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. We're going to create a gap in between the fingers and the thumb. So on the side, let's draw an oval, going out and then in, draw another one underneath, and then we'll do that one more time. Underneath the thumb, we'll draw a rectangle coming down, across, and then up. Let's continue above the fingers, going up, across, and then down towards the thumb. Let's add a button on the top right, and then we're going to extend an antenna. Now I want to do the same thing with the sleeve, starting from the thumb, then it's around the hand, go out and then down towards a point, and it's back up underneath. And I also want to close off the bottom of the hand on both sides with a curve. Let's finish off that same sleeve, adding those 2 points. And now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker, fill the inside of the eyes, nose, and mouth. I'm also going to fill the inside of the hood. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ghostface from Scream. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.